play if it's not late, if it's not dark. So this is a football ground. It's lovely. We are thinking of playing frisbee with this guy from Canada, with Alex.
The best thing that I like about the ground is like if you look closely at that goal post, you see one post is still a living tree. They are not chopping it off. They could have got a better post for the goal post, but they're not doing it. They're going green. Yeah? Still growing.
That's pretty interesting. Yeah, it's true. You see that? It's a living tree. They didn't chop it off. They just used their brains not to chop off the tree. And this is how they make. So here we go towards the Blue Lagoon. Here. I might lose my camera. Oh. Say. Show you on the camera. Okay. For a photo, you know? It looks good. Don't throw that. I'm with miss. I don't trust myself. I don't trust anyone. Hey, what's wrong? None. Okay. Dip. You turn around. Okay, look back now. Just look back. Yeah. Done. Another bridge we have crossed. See the waterfall there. Hello. Hello. You gotta climb these all. These are actually pretty simple. The rocks might be slippery as well.
This path is very interesting.
Okay. Here it is from. This is lovely. Let's go through this part pretty easily. Nice view, you know? Look at the views later on. About those things out there. There are some tourists who don't care about the nature and throw plastics simply like that.
And after a few months when they come back or their relatives come back, you also this place to their feet. Okay, now if we go straight, we go to the Rainbow Falls, but now we are going to stay at the Blue Lagoons because it's already straight. Rainbow we might not be seeing, it's quite far also. So we'll just go down this way, off-road, and enjoy some swimming.
So that's where we came. People make it dirty like just like a pig's paw. Okay. Oh, finally, the Blue Lagoon. I'm gonna go out there.
You see those?
Be louder, louder, louder.
You see those white lines over there? Yes, no, maybe. You know why they're caused? What forms them? So it's because it's like a calcium, kind of like a clay. So when the water is at a certain level, it kind of settles and makes the lines as it precipitates out. And as the water level changes, the calcium stays on the rock. So voila, white lines. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Living the dream.
There's the reason why you see this white. We have to get some fire. It's too cold. There's a fire, you can see. So, need to take some help from the fire. Gotta warm up.
Oh, it's so cold.
Warm myself. We're slowly feeling hungry, you know, and we have lots more to go back. Do you have any other place to go today? This evening? No.
Fire is gone. I need some more fire. Yeah, the temperature at this place is very low. It's like minus 38 degrees Celsius at times in the winter. So this water is very cold, but it's nothing for him. He was enjoying it. And for me, it's really very cold. I got
This guy busy. Very tense. I'm going to take something on my head, and here it is. After all, I'm an athlete. So there we go. This is a gamusa. This is known as a gamusa, and I'm tying it on my head. I tied it, and Assamese people do that. And there we are in the Blue Lagoon. মই অসমীয়া হয় আৰু গামোচাখন লৈ বহুত ভালে লাগিছে মোৰ। এইটো হৈছে Blue Lagoon, and it really feels nice. বহুত ভাল লাগিছে। মোৰ গামোচা মাৰি পেলাই ব্লু লেগুনত আছোঁ বৰ্তমান, আৰু বহুত ভাল লাগি আছে। আমাৰ যাবৰ হ'ল আচলতে, আৰু ব্লু লেগুনটো বহুত দূৰলৈ আহিব লাগে হেৰিৰ পৰা। আমি ডাবল ডেকাৰ ৰুট ব্ৰিজ হৈ আহিছোঁ। তো ৰুট ব্ৰিজলৈকে 3800টা চিৰি বগাব লাগে মানে আমি তললৈ নামিব লাগে, আৰু যোৱাৰ সময়ত ওপৰলৈ বগাই যাম। তো তাৰ পৰা আকৌ 10 মিনিটমান আহিব লাগে, 10-15 মিনিট নে আধা ঘণ্টা, আধা ঘণ্টা আহিব লাগে। আধা ঘণ্টা আহি পেলাই আমি ব্লু লেগুন পাওঁহি। আমি ইয়াতে গা ধুলোঁ, তাৰপিছত অকণমান সাঁতুৰিলোঁ, আৰু বহুতে ভাল লাগিছে। সাঁতোৰাৰ পিছত ঠাণ্ডা লাগিছিলে, আমি জুই ধৰিছোঁ। লগত আছে মোৰ দাদা দীপাংকৰ, তাৰপিছত তেখেত হৈছে ৰুবুল দা, দাদাৰে লগৰ। আৰু এইফালে এইজন তেখেত হৈছে এলেক্স, কানাডাৰ পৰা আহিছে।
নাথাকিব ফটো বহুত ডাঙৰ হৈছে Perfect.
I did it! Yes!
She's a perfect man. He's a man. He is a man.
No, only me. Everyone did that. This week, these two are mine. So finally we are here back in the room. We're staying here tonight and
yeah, this was the wet clothes after the swimming session.
After the swimming session, and we're gonna take rest after some time after eating some food and drinks. That's it. Bye bye.